Hello everyone, and welcome to Rings Motor TV. Today I'm going to show you my newly bought Gpz900R. I'll give you a quick walk around and I'll start it up for you. So let's go! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is my Gpz900R. I bought it in October this year because I've always wanted one, and now with COVID I had a little bit too much of spare time, so I thought I'd put my time on this. And it's a 1988 Gpz900R. Kawasaki made them in the 80s and in the early 90s, I think. This was a fairly modern bike back then. It had this thing here. It's called an anti-dive, and it's adaptive, so you can put it in 3 different modes. And it is also the first water-cooled inline-4 engine, so it's kind of cool. When I bought this, it had been standing in a barn for 4 years, and I paid about $1,100 for it, so it was cheap, and I've put about $500 on it so far. I can give you a quick walk around here. As you can see, now it's in a quite good shape actually. So what I've done so far, we can start here. I took the brakes apart and I checked the calipers, and I took away the rust from these discs, and I painted them here so that there would be no more rust. And I changed the front tire because that was in a really bad shape. I changed the oil in the forks, and I changed the brake fluid, both in the front and in the back. And I also changed the fluid for the clutch. I changed the oil, of course, too, and I took apart the carburetors, the pilot jets, and cleaned them thoroughly because it wouldn't run on idle for me. And I polished the whole bike. As you can see, it's glossy and nice now. I also cleaned the rims. I changed this registration plate, and yeah, overall gave it a little touch up. And as you can see, the underfairing is missing, and that's because it's in real bad shape, so I'm gonna renovate that and put some carbon fiber foil on, and it's gonna look nice, I think. And I think it's time to start it. See, turn the key, give it some shock. As you can hear, she runs pretty smooth, even though she has 42,000 kilometers on it. I don't know how much that is in miles, but it's not that much. It doesn't sound that much now either, because I've put in a decibel killer that I made myself. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in brass. You can see it in there.